Welcome to the Dental Assisting Program. This is Kamal Vilku, the program instructor. Do you have a desire to help others? Do you have good interpersonal skills? Do you have good organization skills? Do you listen more than you talk? Do you pay attention to detail? Do you like versatility? If you answered yes to any of these questions, the dental assisting profession may be a good fit for you. In the 2-year program, the general curriculum covered includes anatomy and physiology, legal and ethical issues, lab safety, communication skills, medical terminology, infection control, and employability skills. The dental curriculum includes dental terminology, radiology, laboratory procedures, chairside assisting, dental ethics jurisprudence, and OSHA guidelines for infection control and sterilization. This is the daily schedule at DACC for the juniors and seniors. If you decide to come as a half-day or a full-day student, the daily schedule for you will differ. Here are some pictures showing all the different lab procedures that are practiced and mastered in the dental assisting program. We learn how to prepare a patient for the procedure. We learn how to floss teeth, and so that we can teach the patient how to take good care of their teeth by learning the right brushing and flossing method. We help in chairside assisting, where we learn how to suction and how to pass instruments to the dentist. In this picture over here, we are learning how to take impressions. There is a particular water powder ratio that they have to measure out correctly and make sure that the mix is not too runny, or it will go down the patient's throat, make the procedure as comfortable for the patient as possible. This is one procedure that is allowed by the allowed for the dental assistants to practice on each other, and the students learn how to take impressions, and then they also make stone models and study models and learn how to make bleaching trays for each other. Here again we see a picture of the students practicing the suctioning skills on how to hold the suction in the mouth. And we have over here, they are learning how to prepare the instruments and how to load the sterilizer. And in this picture over here, the students are learning how to mix the different cements and all the different materials that are used in the patient's mouth for different filling purposes. The most important training in the program is learning how to take x-rays. And the students also get certified to be able to get a job in a dental office. Having a radiology certification is most important. In addition to learning the regular dental assisting skills, we also have some service learning projects. We go out to the community and we go to elementary schools and teach little children how to take good care of their teeth. February is a month of celebrating Children's Dental Health Month, and that month we will go out to the community and we will educate these children on how to take good care of their teeth, learning the importance of nutrition, learning the importance of visiting the dental office, and understanding that the dentist is a friend and not someone to be afraid of. We have a lot of guest speakers and professionals of the dental profession who come in and give demonstrations and share their expert knowledge with the students. Lastly, the most important is getting certifications. The first most important certification that the students get is CPR certification, which, as you can see in this picture, the students are learning how to give CPR, and that is the most important certification that they will achieve as a junior. So between the 2 years, in the junior year, they have HIPAA certification. They attain HIPAA certification and the CPR first aid certification. And in the senior year, we concentrate on getting the radiology certification and the certified Ohio dental assistant credential. As a student in the dental assisting program, you are a part of a student organization called HOSA, Future Health Professionals. This organization gives the students an opportunity to compete at the regional, state, and international level. They are able to explore the different possibilities of the different competitions. They can compete in dental terminology, community awareness, public health, job seeking skills, prepared speech, to just name a few. The possibilities are endless, and the students are get very good exposure in competing with students from other schools. Another very important aspect of the dental assisting program is the career exploration, which begins in the junior year with job shadowing, moving on to getting internships in the senior year, and if the offices offer them early job placements. A majority of the students who have got internships would eventually be able to get the jobs, and this is a very good opportunity for students who may not be wanting to go into college immediately after high school. They will first work in the career for some years and then decide if they want to go back to school. A lot of dental offices are very supportive of the program, and we have offices in Westable, Worthington, Lewis Center, Columbus, Delaware, all over the place, which have opened their doors for the students to come and complete their work-based learning experiences. Many of these offices offer job shadows, allow them to do job shadows, and then offer them internships, which usually are also turned into early job placements. This is Juliana. She graduated last year, and this is what she has to say. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do after high school. Being able to explore a career now instead of in college saves money as well as gives me experience in something I may like as a career path. I've been able to experience different aspects of dentistry, which narrowed my choice to being a dental hygienist. So Juliana is today working in a dental office where she shadowed as a junior and was offered an internship in the senior year, and they gave her the job once she graduated from the program. She is currently working as a part-time dental assistant in Westable Dental Health, and also going to school at the Ohio State University for the dental hygiene program. Before I go on further, there is another student who would like to share her story, and this is Irma Aguilar. She graduated in 2016, and here is what she has to say.
Hello, my name is Irma Aguilar. I graduated from the dental program in 2016. If someone were to ask me why I joined the program, it would be because I always wanted to do something medical related, something hands on, and for sure be able to make a difference in someone's life. When I first came into the program, I remember getting the same PowerPoint like any other program where we learned a little bit of what the program would be like. But I feel like what really stood out to me was when we went to the lab and we mixed a little bit of alginate and made a mold of our finger. I thought it was very interactive. It was very fun, very hands on, which is what I always have liked about dental assisting. It gave me a lot of great opportunities for my future. I had I didn't know what I wanted to be when I grew up, so when I went into the dental assisting program, I knew that I wanted to move up the dental field, and I ended up choosing to become a dentist. I'm currently at Ohio State trying to get into the dental program. The place that I work now is actually my shadowing where I started. I remember I would go in, I would watch things, and I would have to write a little report about what I learned, what I did. And I was always so excited to be able to tell Ms. V, like, I learned how to do this. And I remember I had read it in the book, and I was able to remember it and be able to tell the doctor, like, hey, I remember this. This sounds familiar. And it really helped connect what I actually learned in class and what I was able to learn outside of it. Um, it was great. Honestly, I don't know. if I hadn't found the program, I don't know if I would still want to be a dentist or if I even would know what I want it to be. But it definitely opened a lot of doors for me, and one of the funnest classes that I've ever had, honestly.
So as you can see, after completing the dental assisting program, there are many career and college pathways that the students can take. The first option is for the student to get an immediate employment. For this, the student does not have to be certified. Uh, Radiology certification is important to be able to do chairside and be able to take x-rays. But if the student does not have that certification, the options are to be a sterilization assistant, to be a receptionist, to be an orthodontic assistant, lab technician, administrative assistant, or a dental assistant, which is just a circulating dental assistant who does not do chairside, is not allowed to take x-rays, but is still able to assist with setting up and cleaning operatories. If you have had experience as a dental assistant for 2 years full time or 4 years part time, you have the option to go and take a 6 months training, which will give you the Fda certification. Fda is expanded function dental auxiliary, and this certification allows the students to do fillings, dental assistants to do fillings in the mouth under the supervision of the dentist. There is a big jump in the pay that the dental assistants get with this extra certification. As a dental assistant, you would be getting about $12 to $15 per hour, and with this Fda certification, the pay scale goes up to $25 per hour. If you are certified, if you have taken the Certified Ohio Dental Assistant credential, or you are nationally certified with the DANP, which is a Certified Dental Assistant, you can get additional certifications like coronal polishing, pit and fissure sealants, and monitoring nitrous oxide. As we can see, the more certifications you have, the more valuable you are to the dental office, and the more pay you would be getting at an hourly rate. For students who would like to go to college and continue their education in the dental profession, students can opt to go to a 2 or 4 year dental hygiene degree. Columbus State has a 2 year program. A few other colleges have 2 year programs, and Ohio State University offers a 4 year dental hygiene program. There are still another higher ladder that does, I mean, a little higher step that the students can take if they would aspire to be a dentist, which, as you heard, Irma Aguilar is in the pre-dentistry at Ohio State University. So some of the colleges that the students can go on to for further education is Columbus State, the Ohio State University, Shawnee State, Hawking College, and the University of Cincinnati. If you would like to learn more about the program or see some more pictures of the students in action, please visit us on our Facebook page, Dental Assisting Rocks, and follow us on Twitter, Kamal Vilku at lady_dental. Once again, this is Mrs. Kamal Vilku, the program instructor. My email is vilkuk@delawareareacc.org, and the phone number is 740-201-3268. Feel free to send me an email, or give me a call if you are interested in learning more about the program. I hope to see you at DACC next year, either in my program or in other program, because DACC is a wonderful place for exploring the future. Thank you.